obwansu bwo mugusingwe genariko ya ondigendrete ko bari toyero kegima nane no gendrete kwegoka aso kubwatie miroberi yonsi yegetaseni kya Ndizi TV nabwo obwansu bwo mugusii niyo cyaragire Chinsa Ikomi cyabona mugoroba ekerongo kwarigania SMS Amayia irongo menyuna nara ye na kwariganire asenchira ire yowenge nyoramna sensemere Facebook nigo agendrego tonyoro gendrego Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News aso mutandao Twitter na bogo twitwetera @Ndizi TV News yero togendrego sanga manke iretariane Everlyne Osero kabana nchwe ikomoero Kukwariga ntuchake Amayia ya Chinsa Ikomi asenchira ya bene awase abananchi korwase chinsinyo aho bagendrete go chengera ritkoria Bible abasibati go Mother's Day kerabona nakumanya na umuyego monene ase county ya Kisii nigo gendrete go korekana ase geti ye chigosori Kenya ntrawe yotoka se ward ya ibeno kerabona umuyego yokora wa no first lady we county ya Kisii Mrs Arati nabo igo osomo MCB ward ya ibeno Steve Arika gatia barayi banda banke nigo abangina banke besokire abana erigo chengera umuyego yoga hanekero babere bakworokia ebyorokererio awose ebyewa ayibabwate ngoro nabangina baba wesokia korundia chipigi kuminyoka bare chibunime egatie binde binke kono mancho muri no muroberi ogendrete ase ensemeyo orobotura chikonyora senchira yobekiranu ekerera ragesemo nabo igo Chinsa isatochi amagoroba bunanara yaya baka okorekana sensemeyo nanne bunabangina abakogokerwa nabarai na kwewa ebyewa au Togotikana nayo nigo muraibwese Dr. William Samoei Ruto agendrete ko bainekeria ba Kenya bune serikali negendrete ne miroberio yogokora obotuki kubwatukana nengana ya Shakahola imeye county ya Kilifi awase mebere y'abantu yabeteke gutinde kwa aroraskire otebekana na babwatani bekanisa abaye kwibwata no murandi Paul Mackenzie nonyana ba Ruto nigatere buna aba sabo borendi nigo bone byombe au nigo bigendrete no botuki wemekeyima kubwatukana nenganeyo gukwana se kanisa ya AIC Milimani memucho Nairobi asaikira naso musangirekano bw'amasabo Ruto nigate abunati bari gocha wancha abantu gotumeke dini aso gosaria amagima y'abakenya.
I want to assure you that the government of Kenya is going to get to the bottom of what really happened. Give us a little time. Our security agencies are working round the clock so that we can unravel these acts that shame the people who want to abuse the sanctity of religion and cause loss of life in the Republic of Kenya. So, at the same time, we're going to work together with the church. We're going to work together with the religious organizations so that we prevent anything like this from ever happening again in the Republic of Kenya. I want to ask our religious leaders, I want to ask our religious fraternity that we work together towards formulating what our religious leaders and institution will give us as the benchmark.
Omokanyi bwo muraibwense rigadigashaba nigaikira naso musangirekano bw'amasabo ase kanisa ye Catholic ya Kairaini ensemo ya Mafira imeye county ya Nyeri gokwana kinga kiecho gashawani gateba nababekire meroberio yo kumirana nabarai ababwatani au abaremi nabo igo abaonchoreria korigenchera yo gukinya oburemi bwekawa ase orogongo rwa Mount Kenya irigo kore mechando au yabaremi bekawa bawetera
mambo ya kahawa kesho nitakuwa na Vice President wa Colombia. Nimemwalika hapa Kenya akuje tuongee mambo ya kahawa, kwa sababu hawa wamefaulu sana, bei yao iko sawa sawa. Mwezi ujao gavana, nimeweka kikao cha stakeholders wote wa kahawa katika Jamhuri ya Kenya huko Meru, tariki 6, tariki 7 na tariki 8. Magavana wote wakuwe pale, members of the National Assembly wote wale wanatoka sehemu ambaye zinakuza kahawa wakuwe pale, senators wote wakuwe pale, minister wetu wa agriculture akuwe hapo, minister wa cooperative wakuwe pale, wale wauzaji wa kahawa wakuwe pale, marketers wakuwe pale, roasters wakuwe pale, wataalamu wakuwe pale. Tukitoka Meru tutatafuta suluhisho ya shida ya kahawa, vile wakulima watapata bei. Hapa kwetu hapa gavana, hapa tuko factory yetu hapa ya Kaheraini ilifungwa, ya pale Herega ilifungwa, ya Ruiruiru ilifungwa, ya Kabiruine ilifungwa, ya Kiamariga ilifungwa. Iko deni karibu milioni 80. Na hiyo shida ya kahawa na bei iko kila pahali. Kwa hivyo Rais William Ruto alinipatia jukumu la kutafuta suluhisho ya mkulima wa kahawa.
Togotikana nayo nigo omunyakero gotenenerete amangana ye budget asebungene nendindi nyoro aboririe nsemerie kwamiria serikali gotiga kobeka siasa asamangana ye budget umwaka wa 2023 no mwaka wa 2024 eyo egenderete korosi wa gukwana samatanga ya Moime county ya Murang'a nyoro ni gatebire na emeroberio na boigo amaganyo kurwase wizara ikengancha tarie omoerio obwa gostario moerio abwe meroberio bwamaganio korwase wizara ikigancha tari omwerio asagania abananchi gosanga ebirengerero byabo kubwatikana ne budget erio korwari bagari ororo ama unchoreri gokorekana.
The finance bill, the budget estimates, these are not dictatorial booklets. They are not dictatorial documents. Anything that the Treasury brings to the National Assembly, it comes there because National Assembly is a house of debate. And as we debate the finance bill and the estimates, the budget, we listen to the Kenyan people. And that is what we are doing. It is a consultative process. We do not depart to be your servants. We still remain to be your servants. So we keep on
Omugavana we county ya Kakamega Fernandes Barasa ni garurege kurege tindi go cha sabanto bali aba bosbaganete go turubanya oboteneneri bwe company MSC ya Mumias. Barasa ni gateba na oko oboki wawe company eyo ni gokorachi konya abange ane nabaremi bwe MSC ase ensemeyo anigaya kwana asensemo ya Mumias East asibo igatebire go saganira abana siasa gotaeswana ni nobokoreri bwe company eyo na korokyo kwegena kwaye bunaikine kibwatranite kampanye yo ekyo kerase ekigambero nigo obwene na boigo bwasioku burachikororokana.
Juzi tumeona wamefufua tena kesi ya kusema ya kwamba Mumias Sugar must be shut down. Na tunajua wanasiasa wameingilia hapo katikati, wamepeleka kesi kotini, wanasema Sarai Group must quit Mumias Sugar. Sisi kama viongozi ambao wanajali maslahi ya wananchi, tunasema we don't support West Kenya to come and start frustrating Mumias Sugar. We cannot allow a company ambayo haina nucleus kuungana na matapeli kule juu, alafu wanasema Mumias must be shut down. Sisi kama watu wa Mumias na Kakamega County, we are standing in solidarity with Sarai Group ili afufue kampuni yetu ya Mumias Sugar.
Omukomanda bw'abanyanyimbo ase county ya Bungoma Francisco linigara abanyanyimbo okorwa ase county eyo ase okorwa manyinga eriogokonya bali ababwate oburwaire bwa manyinga makasu mubere gose sikosel ase omuyego yo oba gokorawa ase nsemeyo na koli nigo bwatekerenga kyokosemia abantu kubwatkana n'oburwaire bwega koli nigasegeta abantu korinkoriwa oburwaire bwega na kera chingaki na mono korwa manyinga ayora chigokonya abantu bali nokugania.
Tumekuwa hapa kama familia ya Bungoma ili kutoa damu, kuchangia blood bank yetu ili waweze kusiwe na upungufu wa damu, na tumeanza hii mikakati ili ya kuweza kufikia kaunti nzima ili watu wetu wa kaunti wasije wakalia ukosefu wa damu kwenye benki. Na ni muhimu watu wajue kwamba utoaji wa damu si mchezo tu, si kitu ya utani. Ni mpango ambao tunaweka ili hata wale ambao kwa bahati mbaya watapatikana kwa ajali ya barabarani ili wawe na damu ya kutosha ya kuweza kuwasaidia kuokoa maisha.
Bunentre ya moyogo kinya ebirengo byobochenu ase county ya Baringo ni gobane serikali ya county ya Baringo yabe kirese yo koigwana ne sub county gosene province ya Yengonki ime ya South Korea ase ogosira amangana yobochenu okwana chinga kicho kobekese yo mugavana we county ya Baringo Benjamin Cheboi nigateba buna ese yeyo nigera chigosira mono ebirengo byobochenu erigo ikerani obokoreri boroboronge asaba na inchi.
We have just concluded the signing of a memorandum of understanding between Gyeonggi-do Province and Baringo County. Gyeonggi-do Province, one of the biggest provinces in Korea, and Baringo County on matters of mutual interest. Particularly important today is to have a partnership in development of our health systems. They are well advanced in healthcare management information systems, and we hope that in due course of our partnership, we will be able to improve our health management information system.
Serikali ya kaunti ya Siaya nigo yabe kirensemo ekerengo ye Ikomi goro yemia ase budget asamangana yoburemi eriogo kinya oburemi na boyigorigesa liendagira ase kaunti yo kurengano mugavana be kaunti yo James Orengo nigo babegeto mukiabugo kinya ensemo yoburemi eriokoreta rigesa rirerigia na nene gotanga omuchando bwenchara tobasa kwenekiwa ase Chinsemecho yani yakwa na chinga keumirana babwatani au bamangana yoburemi ase nsemeyo eriogo kwanera chinchera au na baigo emeroberio yogo kinya sector yoburimi.
It was going then to be the roadmap, which now we are going to granularize. And as I hear you people contributing, a lot of the contributions here are actually embedded in the CIDP in terms of how they're going to be prioritized and into annual, the development programs, budget programs, and each year.
The idea of validation. It is important that when you develop something, you have the opportunity to validate it. Because it's in validation that you can either confirm the soundness of what you've developed, the accuracy and the legitimacy.
Kenya has been investing 3%, 2% in agriculture. How do you expect agriculture to be the backbone when you are not investing in it? You know, investment, that national government, but now we have our own government, which is the devolved government. How much? Because we have talked of adding tractors, but then we want to see that in percentage of the whole development agenda. How much of that are you investing in agriculture?
Budget 1 and 2, and we are spending more than 300 million shillings, which is more than 10%. In CI, we have achieved it because we use that money towards mechanization. We acquired tractors. We put more than 120 million on seeds, certified seeds, that in order to transform Siaya, we think that agriculture is going to play a key role.
Nekiombeke mokoro asensemo ya Kasarani kimanyikaine buna Economic Community Based Organization bakubwatirana no murandio yo masereta Wilson Kamunya nigo babekiro mogoko ase abana bali bawetana na Sechi Town batabwatiyo bumenyo go Street Children asensemo ya Kasarani bunenchemo yo korokia obwanchani nabo igo obwamate bya nechinga kyo yo mobwabo bwatani korwa se kiombekyo arenge go chengera litkoria iriyo koiborwa ase abateneneri bekiombekyo baganiri abananchi akobwatarana aso kuinyora abana bwaso kubakonya nabo igo kubasira ase chisemi nigo babwatwebire ebye wabye chingencho au gati abendagera chianga ibikoroto egati yebintu binde binge.
Mmoja wetu alikuwa na birthday na akasema yeye anataka kusherehekea different na anataka kukula na imbogi tunaitanga wahesh wa street, lakini si tunajua ni bogi inafaa na ni watu kama sisi na tunafaa kuwaheshimu. So yeye alikuwa leo ana celebrate birthday yake na 24 years turning 24 na akasema akarequest cook wa kikundi anataka kukula na hao vijana na imetimia na imeisha na tunasema shukrani kwa Mungu.
Kwa ni jambo nzuri hata hivyo kukuja pamoja kwa sababu umoja huleta umoja. Mungu huamuru baraka mahali ambapo palipo na umoja. Kwa hivyo vijana hawa wetu tukiwa tumekuja pamoja hivyo basi tumeweza kuzungumziana mengi hata kupitia neno la Mungu, na ninajua kwamba kila mmoja ameweza kulikamata lile neno kwa sababu nalo neno huja kubadilisha maisha ya mtu. Hivyo ninatumaini ya kwamba hawa vijana hawatabaki kuwa vile tena. Wale walio waona kana kwamba hawawezi lolote lile, basi very soon and soon tunakuja kuona ya kwamba vijana wameweza kuinuka na kusimama vizuri.
Naitwa Diana Mbayachi na sababu ya kuwa niliamua kusherehekea hii birthday yangu with the street children ni ile hali ya mahali ambapo nimetoka, hali haikuwa rahisi vile. So hali ilikuwa ngumu na hiyo maisha vile ilikuwa singeweza kutoboa hiyo maisha vizuri, lakini kupitia nguvu za Mungu na neema ya Mungu ambapo amenifikisha nikafurahi, na mimi mwenyewe nikaona wacha na mimi nifanye mtu mwingine pia naye afurahi ili naye
Oikraigo mancho muriere nongo korera Amayia ye Chinsa Ikomi asenchera ereyo bwenge korende nyorage koragense yamona bago Chinsa isato chamogoroba nochikomera nanere Josephat Amisi eria kumanya ya monanda manke asenchera ereyo bwekranu mimona sogo chora kubwate miroberionsi ya Ndizi TV na bwo obwansubo musi asense meria Facebook endra otonyora wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asense moya YouTube Ndizi TV News aso mutandao Twitter @Ndizi TV News erio tagendrego sanga na boigo kwemanya amange retariane Everlyne Osero twabwatranere Abigail Nyanchamo yoneke muna chibichanerio gichawe kire asenchira yabene twaruburigere borobya nabo igo emagoroba erentoerero.